Let's prove sec theta minus 1 divided by tan theta is equal to tan theta divided by sec theta plus 1. Now see solution. So here left hand side LHS is equal to sec theta minus 1 divided by tan theta. Now multiply and divide this term by sec theta plus 1. So this is sec theta minus 1 into sec theta plus 1 divided by now tan theta, this as it is, into sec theta plus 1 is equal to, now sec theta minus 1 into sec theta plus 1, this is equal to, this is sec square theta minus 1 square divided by this tan theta into sec theta plus 1. Reason, because a minus b into a plus b is equal to a square minus b square, and this is true for any real number a and b. So sec theta minus 1 into sec theta plus 1, this becomes sec square theta minus 1 square. This is equal to, now sec square theta minus 1 divided by tan theta into sec theta plus 1 is equal to, now sec square theta minus 1 is nothing but tan square theta upon, this is tan theta into sec theta plus 1. Again, why this is? Because 1 plus tan square theta is nothing but sec square theta. So sec square theta minus 1 is nothing but tan square theta. Now tan theta cancel, and at numerator what remains? This is 1 tan theta. So tan theta upon sec theta plus 1, and this is nothing but a right hand side of this identity is equal to RHS. So left hand side is equal to right hand side. If you have any doubt, you can ask me in comment section. Thank you.